Guys, welcome to my vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to vlog.
Hi, where are you, Red? Red, where are you? Red, it's a crocodile. We're gonna touch the snake. Is it okay? Oh, look! You know, Wayne, it's... Oh my goodness, the snake is looking at us. Small one. Wala na, wala na. That's the snake. Oh, it's so nice. The snake is... Yeah, touch a snake. You want to touch it?
Pero sila katito mo lang, matatasing mo.
Wow, you like that touching the snake, Rat? It's a friendly. Look at that. Look at it's a friendly snake. Don't. Okay, you hold it that's like that.
Ano lang yan.
It's friendly, isn't it? Wow, such a good snake. You like snakes now? They're friendly.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Mr. Camel! Look at Mr. Camel.
Kulang na siguro ko na agad, no?
Hi, Mr. Camel. Oh, the goat and the camel lives together. Hi, Mr. Camel. Right here. Red. Hi, Ellie. Say hi. Hi, Dad.
Dad mo lang sa dapat. Galit, no?